So hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna discuss while performing some basic commands in Git Bash as part of our activity in integrated programming technologies. So by the way, Git is an open source version control system and it is designed to handle minor to major projects with high speed and efficiency. So it is developed to coordinate the work among the developers. So the version control allows the developers or the software engineers, programmers to work together with his or her team members at same workspace. So by the way, in this video, in this tutorial, in this video, I'm gonna perform it on my Windows machine, but we can also perform same operations on the other operating systems such like Linux, Ubuntu, and Mac operating system. Let's go. Okay, so first we're going to open our Git Bash application. So if we do not have this on our laptop or on our operating system, first we need to install it so that we can perform such operations. Okay, so let's go first to our main directories. So we're now in our users, we're going to show some of its content. Okay, so we're gonna use Prea'ch as our main directory. So cd or change directory. Cd means change directory, and then the directory name or the file name, the folder name, which is Prea'ch. We're gonna show its content. So here is the content. So in this folder, we're gonna create a directory named learn get again. So we can create with the command mkdir or make directory and then file name. Just learn get again and hit enter. So as we can see here, this folder here, users Prea'ch. So as we can see, it's created here. So it's created here. Learn get again, and if we're going to open this, it's empty. This folder is empty, or this directory is empty. So next we're going to create a file called third.txt. We can create a file with the command touch, and then the file name, which is third.txt. Hit enter. So we can, sorry. We're going to remove first because we are on the wrong directory. rm means remove. Rm third.txt. So first we are going to change directory. We are going to enter into the learn get again directory or folder. Cd space learn get again. Okay, so as we can see here, we are now on this folder here, or in this directory. So we're going to create here file name third.txt. Hit enter. So as we can see, it popped up here, file third.txt. And then next is that we are going to initialize an empty Git repository. So we can initialize this directory with the command git inet or git initialize. So it will what we call this create a local repository or initialize a local repository. Hit enter. So it says here that it is initialized in the repository. So by the way, I already have my this GitHub account. I already created GitHub account. I already have this. Anyways, I'm just showing it. Okay, so next is we are going to add this file, this third.txt file into the staging area, because there are 3 stages before we can push this to our main server. First is modified stage, and second one is staging stage and committing stage. So if we can see here, git status, so the third.txt file is not yet added to the staging stage. So we can add this with the command git add and then file name, which is third.txt. So get status again, get status. So as you can see that the third.txt file is unstaged, meaning it is already added to the staging area. Next is we're going to commit this file with the command git commit and then the file name, which is third.txt, and then hit -m. So -m stands for message or message, so that you can type message. So your message, which is adding third.txt, hit enter. So it says here that file changed. So if we are going to show it the status, git status, so it's very clear that it was added to the committing stage. It says here working tree clean, so meaning we have no file to add, because it's already because everything is already added to the committing stage. Okay, next is that we can check it with, we're going to check it with git using git log command. So as you can see here that it's being added to the committing stage. Yeah. Next is we are going to create another file, name fourth.txt using the command fourth.txt. Yeah, so as we can see here, the file was created fourth.txt. And then next, we're going to add it again to the to the staging stage, because if we are going to get status, so it says that fourth.txt is still remain on the modified stage. So we are going to add this with the command git add fourth.txt. Okay, so we're going to get status again. So it's added to the it's added to the staging stage. So next we are going to commit this what we call this file with the message Git Commit, with the message adding fourth.txt. txt. Adding fourth.txt and hit enter. So if we're going to get status, so it says nothing to commit. This means that the fourth.txt file is added to the committing stage. And then get log. So you can see here the file named fourth.txt is added to the committing stage. So next is we're going to remove the third.txt file. This file here, this one, we're going to remove this with the command rm, or rm stands for remove, as I said a while ago. Third.txt, hit enter. So as you can see here, it's gone. The file was gone. I mean, it was removed or it was deleted. And then we are going to add these changes to the staging stage with the command get rm and then the file name, which is third.txt. Hit enter. If we are going to show the status, get status. So it says here that the third.txt file is deleted, and we're going to push these changes with the command again get commit, and then our message, which is removing third.txt file. So hit enter. So it says here that one file change, 0 insertion, 0 deletion, deleted third.txt. So it is totally deleted from this directory. And then we are going to get log. So it says here that removing third.txt. So this means that the third.txt file is being removed to the committing stage. So as a summary, first we are creating a third.txt file. Then since it was added to the modified stage, we are being added it again to the staging stage, and then we commit this file to the committing stage. Then we are created this file, this fourth.txt file, and then we as usual we add it to the staging stage, and then commit it to the committing stage. And then we are creating we remove the third.txt file with the command rm, then file name is third.txt, and then that's it. So that's all. Thank you.